Good morning students. Today we will study again chapter 11 money part 4th. Today we study how to solve the problems in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, first we write for addition. Then the cost of, we change the question. Rohit bought a pencil for rupees 4.50 and a book for rupees 50.75 and an eraser for rupees 5. What is the how much money he spending on? How much money he spent in on? How much money is spending on? First you read the question. Rohit bought a pencil for rupees 4.50, 4 rupees 50 paise, and a book for rupees 50 rupees 75 paise, and an eraser for rupees 5. How much money he spent in all? How much money he spent in all? First we write the solution. Then in all, which word come in question? In all come in question, therefore this is addition. Then statement write cost of, this is in rupees, therefore you write cost of pencil is equal to rupees 4.50. Then cost of book is equal to rupees 50.75. Then cost of an eraser is equal to rupees 5. Then total cost is equal to, we add these two number. Then we add in the right hand side of the notebook rupees and paise. Then we write 4.50, here 50.75, then 5. Here there is no paise, here you put 2 zeros. Then now we add this number 5, then 12 carrying 1, then 10 carrying 1, then 6. Then put this point here also. Then you write rupees 60.25. Then final answer we write answer, hence rupees 60.25 is Mohit spent in all. Mohit spent in all. Okay, then first this is in first word. Second, Minnie bought a doll for rupees 75.70 paise. She gave to the shopkeeper. She gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. Then how much money, how much money she get back? Read the question. Minnie bought a doll for rupees 75.70 paise. She gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. How much money she get back? Then solution. Then cost of doll. Cost of doll is equal to rupees 75.70. Next, she gave to the shopkeeper. Money she gave to the shopkeeper. Money she gave to the shopkeeper is equal to rupees 100. Then money returned back. Money get back. Another return back. Money get back is equal to rupees. Then again you make it two columns, rupees and paise. Then you write 100. First you write here 100 in first. There is no paise here. You put 0, 0. Then rupees 75 and 70 paise. Then subtract this. 0 take away from 0, 0. 7 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You borrow this 9, this 9, this 0. This come 10. Here 3, here 4, here 2. Then our answer is rupees 24.30. Then final answer, hence rupees 24.30 is returned back. Back from the shopkeeper. Okay. Next question. Mohan bought a toy car. The cost of a toy car 4 rupees 35.40. Find the cost of 8 toy cars. Listen, the cost of a toy car. The cost of a toy car for rupees 35.40. Find the cost of 8 toy cars. One cost given, we find many. This is multiply. One given, or means one. This one given, we find many. This is multiplication. Then statement, the cost of a toy car is equal to rupees 35.40. Next, the cost of 8 toy cars is equal to rupees 35.40 multiply 8. 35.40 multiply 8. 35.40 multiply 8. You multiply in simple way. You multiply 8 0 ja 0, 8 4 ja 32, then carrying, then 8 5 ja 40, 43, then 4, 8 24, 28. How many? Then answer is rupees 283.20. Then final answer hence rupees 283.20 is the cost of 8 toy cars. 8 toy cars. Then you understand this. Then one more question. Mohan bought 7 pens for rupees. Mohan bought 7 pens for rupees 35.70 paise. Then find the cost of 1 pen. Find the cost of 1. Many given, 1 find. Many given, 1 find. This is divide. Then statement solution. The cost of 7 pence is equal to rupees 35.70. Then the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 35.70 divided by 7. Then first you divide this number 35.70, then 7. The table of 7, how many times gone in 35? 5 times 35, then 0, 0, then point you put here, then 7, 1 time, then 7, then this 0 come here, you give in quotient, then 0 times 0. Answer is rupees 5.0. Then final answer, hence rupees 5.10 in is the cost of 1 pen. Is the cost of 1 pen. You understand this chapter? Then here end our this chapter. You practice this chapter. Okay, thank you.